If you want to install Xero on your mobile device, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to download the app, install it safely, and get signed in so you can start using Xero on the go. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. This is where you'll find the official Xero app. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Xero. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the right app quickly. After you search, look for the official Xero app in the results. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct app before you install it. This is always a good idea because you want to make sure you're downloading the real app from the trusted source. When you found it, tap Install. Now the app will begin downloading and installing on your mobile device. Depending on your internet connection, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the option to open the app. Tap Open to launch Xero right away. When the app opens, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Xero account, just enter your login details and continue. If you're new to Xero, follow the prompts to create your account and set everything up. Just make sure you use the correct email address so your account stays connected properly. After that, you're all set. Xero is now installed on your mobile device and ready to use whenever you need it. You can manage your account, check your business information, and access Xero from anywhere, which makes it really convenient for daily use. So that's how to install Xero on mobile in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.